just wants to be friends. Chloe. You protect us, Chloe. That's our guard dog. 24/7. Look at that tail. It's ready, man. Who's that, Chloe? What do you see? Huh? What do you see? I think I'll just clean. Chloe! Chloe girl, get your butterfly. Get your butterfly. Oh no, I think I'll just be in protect mode.